Imagine having a tireless assistant always ready to help you find and engage potential customers. That's the power of ChatGPT for lead generation. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an advanced language model. It understands and generates human-like text. This makes it a game changer for businesses looking to boost their lead generation efforts. ChatGPT excels at automating tasks that once took significant time and resources. Imagine creating personalized emails for hundreds of prospects or crafting engaging social media posts in minutes. ChatGPT can handle all of this and more. It allows your sales team to focus on what they do best, building relationships and closing deals. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, ChatGPT offers a scalable solution for lead generation. It can handle the demands of growing businesses, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to connect with a potential customer. With ChatGPT, you can say goodbye to missed opportunities and hello to a steady stream of qualified leads. ChatGPT's ability to analyze data and provide insights is invaluable. By understanding your target audience's preferences and behaviors, you can tailor your messaging for maximum impact. This data-driven approach ensures that your lead generation efforts are always optimized for the best results. ChatGPT is more than just an automation tool. It's a strategic partner that can revolutionize your entire lead generation process. One of the most significant benefits of ChatGPT is its ability to personalize interactions at scale. In today's competitive market, generic messaging simply doesn't cut it. Customers crave personalized experiences that resonate with their needs and interests. ChatGPT allows you to create highly targeted messages that speak directly to each lead. By leveraging data points such as demographics, interests, and online behavior, ChatGPT can craft personalized emails, social media interactions, and even chatbot conversations. This level of personalization leads to higher engagement, increased response rates, and ultimately more conversions. Another key advantage of ChatGPT is its ability to qualify leads effectively. By analyzing data points against predefined criteria, ChatGPT can quickly identify which leads are most likely to convert into paying customers. This saves your sales team valuable time and resources by allowing them to focus on the most promising prospects. ChatGPT also streamlines the process of nurturing leads. It can automate follow-up emails, provide valuable content tailored to specific interests, and even schedule meetings on behalf of your sales team. This ensures that leads are constantly engaged and moved through the sales funnel efficiently. Before you unleash the power of ChatGPT on your lead generation efforts, it's crucial to have a deep understanding of your target audience. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the user's skill and knowledge. Start by defining your ideal customer profile. What are their demographics? What are their pain points and challenges? What motivates them to make a purchase? Once you have a clear picture of your target audience, you can begin to tailor your ChatGPT prompts and strategies accordingly. Psychographic profiling is another essential aspect of understanding your audience. This involves delving into their interests, values, and lifestyles. What are their hobbies? What do they value in a brand? What are their aspirations? By understanding the why behind their actions, you can craft messages that resonate deeply and foster a genuine connection. Don't forget about behavioral insights. How does your target audience interact with your website and social media channels? What type of content do they engage with most? By analyzing these patterns, you can optimize your ChatGPT prompts to deliver the right message at the right time in the right place. And now that you have a firm grasp of your target audience, it's time to put ChatGPT into action. One of the most effective ways to leverage ChatGPT for lead generation is through personalized outreach. Whether it's crafting compelling email campaigns or sending tailored LinkedIn messages, ChatGPT can help you break through the noise and capture attention. The key to successful personalized outreach lies in crafting effective prompts. Start by providing ChatGPT with context about your target audience and the desired outcome. For example, you could instruct ChatGPT to write a personalized email to a marketing manager struggling to generate leads with social media. Be as specific as possible with your prompts, providing details about the prospect's pain points, industry, and any other relevant information. The more information you give ChatGPT, the more personalized and effective your outreach will be. ChatGPT can also be a valuable tool for brainstorming lead magnet ideas. Lead magnets are essentially valuable pieces of content that you offer to potential customers in exchange for their contact information. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas, turn to ChatGPT for inspiration. Provide ChatGPT with information about your target audience and the type of content they would find valuable.